Okay.
Can editor just cut on that?
Oh, Brandon! I'm fine.
This is Brandon's.
I'm gonna. That's mine.
Look, this is Hunter's. Stop, that's Hunter's, Brandon.
Oh. Hunter, come here. Hunter, no,
That's Brandon. This is Hunter's.
Oh, that's mine.
Yeah, what is that?
It's real.
Let me see it. That's a beaver.
Beaver.
Yeah, show it to me.
This is a burrito.
A burrito?
It's a burrito.
No, it's a beaver.
I'm not beaver.
It's still a beaver.
What's that?
That's a beaver.
A beaver?
A beaver.
Open it. Open it.
It's Brandon's turn.
Yes.
Oh, what is it? What is it? Guard your stuff.
Oh, this.
Let me see.
It's a motion alarm. If you put it on anything, it will tell you somebody's trying to steal it or something.
Cool. You love Spy Kids stuff, huh?
I need more. Oh, is this off
Let me see, Hunter. What do you got?
A sticker.
A sticker?
Hunter, come on, open your hand. Your thing.
You might have to help him,
What is
baby.
this? Hunter, turn it on. Hunter, look, show Nanny your candy.
Let me see. Look what you got. Is it candy?
No.
Yeah, it is. There's candy in there.
It's a fishing. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Do you need some help?
Yeah, I got it.
What's he doing, Hunter? Hunter, what are you doing? I see you.
Oh, it's the stickers I used to get.
Let's
Remember?
get a sticker. Where's
When Daddy was gone and you needed
That's
lots of
my
help.
sticker.
Nana.
That's
No,
my-
puppies.
That's my sticker. That's my sticker. That's my sticker. That's my sticker. It's mine.
Hunter, those are Brandon's stickers.
Dragon Ball.